Instagram, come. And we here at the deck in Marabay, St. Thomas. Not to like up here, the
I was sitting down yesterday, just singing my life away, thinking how good.
You get me? The lighting kinda away yes still, but we are doing same way, we work with it same way. You see me, as we say, it's a lit movement tonight. Date night.
We call it carbon, but let's take finish it. We call it ocean blue. If you are rubbing it like liquor, you can go for the 1 year. You have different options.
Night. So we are go around everywhere. We are just go around, and we are review some place for you. I really say review, I'm gonna say what are the hot spot. So this is one of the hot spot them in a St. Thomas, people. Hot spot in a St. Thomas. Place where you have to go. You see me? If you think about it, I tell you definitely you can go. Right now, a hot spot in a St. Thomas. Marabay, St. Thomas, the deck, seafood, restaurant, sport bar, and them all live something there. You get a mixed liquor people. When I say mixed liquor, I mean mixed liquor like mixed liquor. Come on, I just get a mixed liquor with him, ocean blue. You see me? As I say, it's a lit movement tonight, people. Lit movement, you get me? Go on with the vibes. You're taking along with it. You get it? It's a little bit more back. It's a little back in movement. Oh, it's a little back in movement. Focus on camera. Focus. Do it. Focus. Focus. Them fries are.
Well.
Them fries are really. Yeah. Remember, we are going around and we are review the kitchen. Them people, them don't know about that one. You see me, but
this one actually review.
We don't get for review because we don't get no food for taste. So next time, people, we are gonna review the food. So can look for that one there, get me? So be a boy fries taste. Oh man! Yo, vibes lit still, people. Check the scenery. Place lit. But they on a little area here, so a little vibes. You see me? Them not believe in a Christmas silk, I'm not seeing a pepper light. You get me? Them not do see all a bright light, they like them not turn on. See a bright light there? That's how that make it thing more lit. You see me? A bright light there up there so not turn on. So look, you see them have a look at dining area and them have a place up on top there so you take photo. Nice backdrop. See the right up there so? Nice backdrop and thing, but as me said, it have a little vibes. You want to chill Friday evening, you just come here so come hold a meds, you get me? The deck in a Marant Bay. Yeah. St. Thomas Marant Bay. Bummer! Yeah, me say, you know what me want to try on the menu still? Me say I ribs on the menu, but yeah, that mother try. Me say I ribs on the menu when me say mother try people.
Don't worry.
Come back. Next place you want to go? You not go know. But you see me, as me say, first,
just comment down below which part you want to put.
yeah, tell which part you don't want to sit next and the food and this. So this them said this name what? Ocean Blue.
Ocean Blue?
Ocean Blue. No Ocean Palm dog, Ocean Blue.
Yeah, Ocean Blue.
So you don't know we have to stick to the true Jamaican dragon. We're not going to further from this. So.
Yes, if you really look at it, I love it. Because this will not suit you, because I tell you, the liquor's hang up in there.
Yeah, rum strong in it, man. I drink it. Come like a rum you drink. Rum alone you drink.
It's strong, but I like it. So, you know what we done based off, don't throw me over and show that carry my own because they're tipsy.
Yo, them cake, yeah. Them lit away. Cake lit away. Them lit away, you get me? So, I don't see that, as we say, another day, another dollar. You have to go buy water, carry room attack in your blood, in your frig. Pure rum that, also rum and color. Yeah, people saw some lit movement, as we say. The place it as you can see right there, so. Them have a lit thing right over there, so. Check it out.
Yet for the kitchen kind of lock off, so we have some something like cake, fries. Don't forget to make water because they can't carry it.
Like in the head, boss off on the head.
I recommend this to anybody, the Ocean Blue. It's nice and then it has pop in there. So if you want to look nice balls and everything, you know, you're on weekend and the week stressful. You come out from work Friday and your friend want to come. You can come at the Ocean Farm.
Get it, people. Get it right here. So the deck. First hot spot in a St. Thomas we'll go. Look out for the next one. This is the first one we'll go. But remember, comment down below and tell which part you know we'll go next. Yeah, people who know want to see which part you know we'll go. You get me? Yeah.
But long as it's not too far. We don't have a vehicle yet, so just make it so short set in summer we can reach like Kingston, Portland and St. Thomas. So skip it in another 3 years, reach on it.
Until next year.
Until next year we get my vehicle.
Late.
But when I tell you I enjoy the vibes, the car buzzing on me. I enjoy myself. So yeah. Babes, I tried the ocean something.
Yes, it's a
Babes, I tried my liquor.
Yeah, this.
I also get little cake. We eat already at home with us. I want to date night.
It's a room, brother, room.
It's nice, your car.
It's come like you drink raw rum, but your bag still.
It's nice. And 2 times she put the rum, the real never in there. Same a drink. Yeah. So yeah.
Another one dragon. Some shit like that. So we say, one, try this cake. No one can see what going on in this. But one of them look big on one.
Yeah.
And they see a price.
one little big than that one there.
Yeah, one look bigger than one.
That one,
Definitely.
yeah.
I know you forget that one there. Honest.
Alright,
No, we can split it. Can get piece of that same way. For evening it up back. Definitely. But it have a little buzz. Them could have put a cherry on this. Definitely, you get
cherry
me?
never come on the cake.
Cherry could have go on it. Them could have put one cherry there. So. Cut it in half and put the cherry down here, so put a cherry there. So. Or put a cherry right here. So you never get them black forest there with a cherry on there?
That's not black forest, that's a chocolate mocha.
You still can't put it on there?
No, chocolate mocha don't come with cherry.
Wait, come with mocha?
Yes, mocha. With mocha.
What is mocha? That's why I'm not go place go buy food no because I don't want to tell me no name when what is mocha? People, what is mocha? What is mocha? What the fuck is mocha?
You make it, yeah?
What is mocha? Buy the cake, me will see. The crowd will see you buy the cake. What the blood? Good thing say you didn't camera now, you know where you're sick. Nigga, you're sick in the head, bro. Don't like me. So, she's gonna try the cake. She gonna try the cake. The cake. Review people. You recommend people to buy the cake, yeah?
Yeah.
So people.
I first met the chocolate mocha.
No, we're not talking about eating chocolate. We are talking about feed them chocolate mocha.
I want place to make chocolate mocha.
Where? Everywhere? Everybody buy it from one place?
I must come with either Bashko. No, wrong.
Bashko? Mega Mart.
Mega Mart.
Or Price Mart.
Or Price Mart.
Then me not have to be Mega Mart or Price Mart. You people can beat that themselves. Come on.
Well, true.
But them not do that.
Exactly.
Them not in time then. If them time then them not gonna pay them for do that. Them not hire nobody for come beat that. You get me? Right now we know we are Gucci still. How do I see that? We don't want the Gucci, nigga. I don't want the Gucci, bruh.
You know.
I want Versace. I'm wearing a lot of Versace. Nigga be wearing Versace. Oh man, people, remember we are there. The deck. The first stop in a St. Thomas. The deck. Yeah, as I say, it's a lit movement. You can see a couple people. They all over the place. People that take photo. It's a place where you can come take your photo too. See that? People that take photo. I'll come on and take photos. See him here. I'll take photo of your phone. So you have some. Watch it. See that? My girl over there. She just step on the phone and she just do herself away. You get me? So as I say, people is a lit movement. People all over the place that do themselves some weird. So one day, come down here, so people. I promote a place like them. They not pay me, you know? But I do a promotion. Said we. You know them not pay with deck. You hear that? Not pay with. Pay what? You not pay with your cars. Payment enough for just to be in here because it as me say it's a lit movement. People, you get me? You not see me, but you not see the place. You see me, it's a lit movement, you get me? Look, you see, some come look at the East End, you know, come you can go all over there, so, and you see me? Yeah, look like I'm fresh already, but I'm not fresh, you get me? As me say, at the deck with it, and we're there on the deck, and we are doing self a look away people, so remember. First stop in a St. Thomas. First stop in a St. Thomas. You see me? We just a little drip. A little drip. You get me? It's a little drip. You get me? So, as we say, it's a little fucking nigga. So, on the day, when you come down on the deck, come check it out for yourself. I say, people, check it out for yourself. You feel like a joke. Look on the see some nice thing I go on down here. Check it out for motherfucking self, people. Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow. No blame, come on. Oh. Yeah, rum this my dog.
Let me feel. Has a two type of rum. Look at them.
This tastes like rum and water. Blue water.
No, because they use the ocean spray. You know the ocean spray water?
Yeah.
And that they use.
That's like name ocean bro.
Yeah.
Fish ocean spray, right? Rum alone,
It's
it's come like a
Josh,
3 drink and rum and 2 and this are 4.
A 2.
2?
2 rum and one next rum again. One next liquor. I don't remember how she put it in there. I think I 4 type of liquor in there, but the rum overpower the rest of the liquor them.
Yes, people, officially can't go to work tomorrow. It's a dangerous combination. Dragon, whatever this name. I woke my baby in the neck tonight. Right now, me just a scroll to my phone, keep myself to myself. Just keep myself to myself. I will lick you. Father God, help me! Help me, Father God, help me! Do what me have it, man. Slow me do you alone. Don't want to hear no bad thing. Find my phone, have one plan and the internet strong. No worry nobody, yeah, man. Keep myself to myself. Just keep myself to myself. From me in a alien mode, I'm there in my zone. I'm just so slow to my zone. Don't kill my vibe. Don't kill for my one time. Airplane mode, nobody call for line. Sometimes I'm better. I ain't gonna put it on my channel. She then scream out.
And I can't take it back, so in the past is where we'll leave it. So that